Bugger. Hello there. This is a Sidchrome 14906A ratchet handle that I found in a pile of scrap. So it is completely frozen, but I thought we would start by giving it a bit of a squirt. And seeing if we can get any life out of it. Now I'll try and keep this in screen while I do this. Apologies if I slip, I can't actually see the lens of the camera a lot of the time when I am working on stuff. So this doesn't actually look that bad. So hopefully it's just full of mud and crud. Give me a second, I'll get a bit more light in here. Now, I have to admit at this stage that I'm not really sure how that comes out. It seems to be spring-loaded, but it also seems to be captive. So, and I don't see another thing to open. However, just feeling how gritty everything is, I'm thinking that I might have lucked out here. And I've just got something that's exceedingly dirty. So I'm just going to go off camera and give everything a good blowout with the airline. And see if that keeps it clean. Alright, well, after a quick blowout, that's working very well. So drop the pole in. And she still doesn't seem, oh no, there we go. So I reckon it might just need a little bit more finessing. And it should come good. There's a bit of wear in there on that surface. I might just give this a blow off, see if I can get it a bit cleaner. Okay, well, I'm just going to pop that back together. And then sit it in the vise and spin it a few times. Okay, so with copious amounts of WD-40, I've managed to get that so it flicks over. Now, obviously this is not a proper rebuild, restoration, whatever. I mean, I've just got this working. It Requires more knowledge than I have to pull that down any further, but I suspect there's probably someone else on YouTube who's already done this. So I've greased that. I remembered where my grease was. It was inside my grease gun. So we'll pop that in. Pop the... Let you see that. Put the ring back in. And that is now pretty much close to perfect. So, yeah, like I said, this is not a restoration of a broken ratchet. This was just one I picked up. It was seized. So the application of WD-40, compressed air, and a bit of grease has made the world of difference to this thing. I also went up and used some soapy water on the handle, and that's made a big difference there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Kincrome 14906A ratchet, back in action.